Stop procrastinating. Take it serious and invest in Blossom Garden Estate. So this is Onitsha Enugu Express. Then that place is brown roof. Inside here you get to green roof and others. So we'll be driving now to Blossom Estate. So stay tuned. So all these houses you're seeing here is inside Green Roof Estate, RCC. Then this road leads to Golf Estate. This road leads to Golf Estate. So I'm showing you the proximity so you know where we are. If you're watching from the diaspora, so you know exactly where we are, okay? So, because so many people don't know Golf Annex and Blossom Estate, so they are very close, but very, very close. You would hardly, like if you're in Blossom and you throw a stone, it will go to Golf Annex. Okay. So this is the entrance to Golf Annex. I'm thinking that the Blossom Gardens Estate is far from GRA. This is GRA. That's GRA, right? So in a few minutes you would see Blossom. So this flyover here is the flyover that leads to New Market, right? That's cut across Diamond Estate, Golf Estate, and yeah, that's it. Even what's this other estate there? So we're gonna go straight. So this road actually leads to Anambra, right? This is the Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So you can see it's a dual carriageway, but unfortunately one side is not working. But that's not why we're here, right? This is the NIPCO. NIPCO is a very popular filling station back in the days. Then this is NNPC. NNPC is also, you know, a very notable filling station, right? So this is Blossom. I know from here you can see Blossom, right? So this is Blossom. This is Blossom Garden Estate. So we're gonna drive in. So there's a promise of a dual carriageway that will come just like the one in Golf Annex. Yes, there's a dual carriageway that will come from here down to the estate. The estate is still inside, but you know, as the estate is coming inside, there'll be development, you know, around here. So this side is some part of Golf Annex. Yeah, the left hand side of Golf Annex. So let's keep going. You see people already living there. I'm not sure if they're living, but at least it's developed. Oh, people are living. I can see the electricity. So work is still. Guess what you're seeing? This is Blossom Garden Estate. So the estate will start from here down there, right? So you agree with me that it's only those who buy early makes the most out of real estate. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that stop procrastinating, take it serious, and invest in Blossom Garden Estate. Don't be among those who said, hey, how can we invest in our estate? Hey, I'm going to estate and a ref for 10 million. I'm going to ref for 15 million. And they didn't buy, okay? And most of people who bought made money, just like what happened in legacy estates. You all know what happened to legacy estates, from 5 million to 7 million to 10 million to 25 million, 35 million. So most people have made 200%, 300%, even 400% of their investment. So why not start today? I've showed you that Blossom is close to GRA, close to Gulf Estate, close to Gulf, close to Transekulu, and this is the happening place, right? GRA is the happening place, Independence Layout is the happening place, and it's close to the town, right? That's the most important thing. And also, they promise to dualize this road from the express down to this estate. So a lot of promises are coming already, and people have already started investing. So what are you waiting for? Call the number on the screen today to get started. Bye bye.